Hello students, welcome back. So in previous YouTube link I had explained you about rhyming scheme. Yes, हमने rhyming schemes देखे, हमने end rhymes देखे. Today we are going to solve some more examples. Now come to page number 29. Find the rhyming pattern and rhyme scheme for the following lines of poem. Okay, अभी हमें यहाँ पे कुछ poems दिए and we are going to find out the rhyming scheme. हम क्या ढूंढने वाले इसका राइमिंग स्कीम ढूंढने वाले हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट. सिंग अ सॉन्ग ऑफ सिक्सपेंस. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू सी? वी आर गोइंग टू सी द एंड वर्ड. ये एंड वर्ड राइमिंग वर्ड है कि नहीं वो चेक करेंगे. ओके, सिंग अ सॉन्ग ऑफ सिक्सपेंस. वी विल मार्क सिक्सपेंस एज नंबर ए, अल्फाबेट ए. अ पॉकेट फुल ऑफ रे. Is it rhyming with sixpence? No. So ray will be marked as alphabet B. 4 and 20 blackbirds. So is it rhyming with some other thing? Sixpence से rhyming कर रहा है क्या birds? ray से rhyming कर रहा है क्या birds? No. So birds we will mark as alphabet C. Baked in a pie. Pie, rye. A pocket full of rye and baked in a pie. Rye and pie are the rhyming words. What are the rhyming words? Rye and pie. So what is the number of rye? B. तो pie का number क्या आना चाहिए? Alphabet B. Understood? Next paragraph. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing. Wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? Now sing and king are the rhyming. So what we will mark? A हो गया, B हो गया, C हो गया. D हुआ है क्या? No. We will mark opened as D. Sing as E. Dish F. King. King is rhyming? Yes. King is rhyming word and sing are the rhyming words. King, sing. So what is the number of sing? E. So what should be the number of king? E. Understanding students? So our rhyming words for these two paragraph is A dash B dash C dash B. Give a cross mark here. For the second paragraph, D E, again a hyphen, F and E. Okay, so what is the rhyming scheme? A B C B. It means the second and the fourth line have the rhyming words. D E F E. 5, 6, 7, 8. So number 6 line of the poem and number 8 line of the poem have the rhyming words at the end. Understood student? In this way we can understand what are the rhyming words and which lines are rhyming. Now come to the next. There was once a big fat cat. What is the end word? Cat. We will mark it as A. That liked to be eat cute little mice. What is the last word? Mice. Mice is rhyming with cat? No. तो हम इसको क्या mark करेंगे? B. All day he watched while he sat. Sat is rhyming word? Yes. किसका rhyming word है? Cat का. Cat का number क्या है? A. What is the marked number or marked alphabet? A. तो sat का भी alphabet क्या आना चाहिए? A. For those mice that tasted so nice. Again nice is the rhyming word. किसका rhyming word है? Mice. Mice, nice. What is the B? What is the alphabet? B. Nice का alphabet क्या आना चाहिए? B. Understood? Cat sat, mice nice. A A B B. Understood? So rhyming scheme is A dash B dash A dash B. It means the poem is rhyming in every line. It means number 1 and 3 are the have rhyming words. Number 1 and 3 have end rhymes and number 2 and 4 have end rhymes. So our rhyming scheme is A B A B. Understood? Turn your page. Page number 30. So लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द राइमिंग स्कीम फॉर दिस पोएम. ओके, अब देखते हैं इस पोएम का राइमिंग स्कीम क्या बनता है. A stands for animals all ought to know. B is a brown bear, the first in the show. If you notice, student, no and show are rhyming words. So हम no को A mark करते हैं. So what should be the marking for show? No, show. So A is for no, show के लिए भी क्या आएगा? A. C is a cat. See one catching a mouse. Mouse is rhyming? No. तो हम इसको क्या नंबर देंगे, क्या अल्फ़ाबेट देंगे? बी. इट मीन्स पहले से डिफरेंट. बी. डी इज़ अ डॉग, द ट्रू फ्रेंड ऑफ द हाउस. हाउस इज राइमिंग फ्रॉम व्हाट? माउस. माउस, हाउस. माउस, हाउस. माउस बी, हाउस will also get B. E is an elephant which you may ride. Ride is rhyming with house, mouse. No, show. No, it is not rhyming. A हो गया, B हो गया, तो नेक्स्ट क्या आना चाहिए? C. F is a fox from hounds trying to hide. Hide is rhyming. किससे राइम कर रहा है? Ride. Ride, hide. Ride, hide. So what is the alphabet for ride? C. Hide के लिए भी क्या आना चाहिए? C. Why? Because these are end rhymes. No, show. Mouse, house. Ride, hide. So what is the rhyming scheme? A dash A, B, then dash B dash C. So what is the rhyming scheme for this poem? A, B, C. It means every line have end rhymes. First and second are the pair of rhyming word. Line number 2 and line number 3 have rhyming words. Mouse, house, these are the pair. E and F, it means number 5 and 6 have rhyming words. It means CC. Understood? In this way we are going to complete our page 29 and 30. Okay students, enjoy and complete also. Okay, bye bye.